Oh, greetings, guys. I'm here to on how to make an original character that is easy to remember. So, like if you make a bunch of characters, you know, and then you kind of forget about their height, their age, and la di da di da, and all that kinds of shit. So I can put on here general cap. Yeah, there we go. So you have a plane, a white plane that is completely square. And up here, this is where you start with the basic information, like a title screen or like a label screen. That is very important. And then you separate the basic information like age and height or something like that. But it's also very important that you have this, like a meter or something. Well, whoops. I'm gonna get to one of the other character bios. Oh, it's in reverse. Whoops. Okay, let's just take this. So, here is the, yeah, there. So you need this for comparison. But that's already what I kind of did, didn't I? But I will make something for you. I will make something for you. So Control C and Control V. They can be as tall as you want. You just need to scroll really down. Come on, let me get to. I've made very big characters in my lore, so yeah, there's the guy. There's Mr. Comparison Guy, and then you put him down there, which makes good sense. You have him in the background. In the background, like on a layer that has alpha or something called. Yeah, transparency onto whatever background you want into the other layer that is underneath the layer that you have up here or somewhere. I don't know what kind of program you use, but here you go. So you make this, and this whole box is what you tell about your character in text. Like, he is something. I'm kind of bad at using my mouse, though. Yeah, I'm using my mouse to draw. So, so basically, first a completely square image that is of 2000 by 2000 pixels in size. And then here you draw the guy or a character. He has some big mitten hands, I guess. Then in this area, you say the age and the height based on what people can see on the left side here, on Mr. Comparison Guy, the one who is there. And then here, you can write their name. And the important thing that I think is that you need to make their name kind of reflect of how they are. This is what I've been keep on doing. So you first see their name, and then you, like for example, if it's just a basic person, then it's just yeah, it's just say. But if they are of some more technological kind or a warrior, then you can do this. Or something like that. Yeah. So that's about it. Yeah, and this whole place right here is where you just read and write about what the character is, their lore and stuff like that. It works really good trying to remember an OC that you have created, so you both know their height, their gender does not matter, or their sex, because they can be an alien or a robot or some shit like that. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. Yes.